Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a object-oriented programming Java question. This one's called Java Interface that I just solved on my own. So I'm pretty happy about this and I'm super glad that I was able to do this completely on my own without any assistance, even though it was relatively straightforward. So let's do it again. So a Java interface, only method signatures and fields, right? Interfaces just defines a contract, methods that need to be implemented in every single class that implements the interface you define, and then basically you're asked to create an interface called advanced arithmetic, and we have a method signature, so this is going to be the contract. So every single element or class that extends or implements this interface needs to have this method, right? So let's define a myCalculator class, as it says right there, that implements the method. So here, let's override the method and declare divisor sum int n, and then here we just want to sum up all the divisors of the current number n that's passed in. That's going to be passed in the main method later. So let's start with 1 because you can't divide by 0. That might cause some runtime exceptions. And then here, if n modulo I is equal to 0, then we can just go ahead and add I, right? And at the end, we can just return result. That's the return type right there, integer. So now let's go ahead and get the input. System.in, and then let's call this the value is going to be sc.next integer. And then here, now let's go ahead and actually create a object of this class because you can't create an object of an interface. So my calculator m is new my calculator. And then here, let's go ahead and first print this line right here. So system.out.println I implemented advanced arithmetic. And then in the next line, let's go ahead and print m.divisor sum with the value, right? So we're passing this value in here, and then returning an integer. That's going to be this whole thing. So let's run this. Okay, it's not correct. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Okay, submit it. Okay. Do it again. Okay, cool. So as you can see, it passes all test cases. So again, I'm pretty happy that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance and solve it completely on my own. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.